design, simple design, yet it does have a lot to offer. So, and the same with the lighting. So I have this kind of rectangular U shape, almost like an extrusion, all the way down to the depth that you make this. I'm just drawing through it so you can see the back end of this. It's kind of rounded an edge, but if you think of it just as a basic rectangular shape, shaded in, kind of has the dark side, maybe a gradient. From beginning to end, it's slightly different. So I'll just treat it that way. You can put the straight edge down, as you guys may recall, and you can just let that butt up with the shading. And even the vertical shading is helping with that piece. And again, you can just put a straight edge line right across there. So that builds that up pretty quickly. Just building that up. Align this here. So here's a good option where the shading and the direction of the stroke emphasize and help describe what's happening there. It builds that up, and you have this. So again, you can kind of keep it pretty loose all the way down to this edge here. Find that edge there. Heavy this part up. So if it's something that's heavy close in the distance, I can really outline that piece, because that first staple is going to define the rest of them as to what's happening down there. This kind of has a rounded tip there. So that's giving it a little bit of a tell. So I can even smear some of this in here. Build that up. Now when I go to the second time, I can just space these across. They're erratic at times, so I can get them closer together, lighter as they go in the distance. Just let it fade away. Same with this one that's in the foreground. Let's build that up there. Part in there pretty equally, and I can take an eraser and go right down this line here, straighten that off, and that'll be this section here. So as it has this little emphasis, and here even round that off a little bit. And don't have to go all the way, just as it gets down in the end. It'll build that part up. And then it comes down to this base as well. So again, most of the detail stays up close. Builds that section in there just right. There you go, you have kind of